Hello everybody, this is Nick Woods from Nick Woods Racing, and I'm going to show you how to install the brand new Woods secondary clutch spring. So you can see I have a rear clutch here, already disassembled. I've removed the helix off of the rear clutch. I have removed the old spring off the clutch, and I have installed my new orange spring onto the helix. So I'm going to repeat this so you guys can see how to properly put the spring on the helix. So it's pretty important to make sure that you put the spring tab in the 6th hole. So the little dot beneath the hole refers to the location as the 6th. See how they line up here? So that's where you want to start your tab. So we're going to put that in there, just like so, and then we're gonna twist the spring until it locates all into the radius of the shoulder of the helix. Okay, all the way in, and then we're gonna put it back into the clutch. Gonna put this tang into the hole, just like so. Now that you've gotten it this far, you're gonna twist. You're gonna do one little half twist and then push down. Okay? Then you're going to tighten it up. You can get one tight and you're kind of in location. So I'm going to finger tighten these back up. Don't want to go overboard on this stuff. You just want to make sure it's tight. Okay? You can finish off with a T-handle. Okay, so you can see I made the little tang a little longer. Some people have said that the tangs have been popping out of the helixes. I think if you install the spring the way I showed you right here, you won't have any problems with that. And you can see we got a nice stiff spring finally. You guys aren't going to have problems with the with this spring dropping the belt down in the rear clutch. Hope you like it. Available on the website.